clouds in Birmingham right now, but no rainfall just yet in the Magic City. 74 is the current temperature as we look high atop Red Mountain. Dew points are in the mid 60s, and that's going to make it feel just a little bit sticky in the air this morning. Not incredibly muggy, but just a hint of mugginess. Now what we're tracking is some rainfall along Highway 280, a little area of rain moving to the northeast corner of Shelby County right now, making its way towards Pell City along that I-20 corridor, and then looking down towards Jackson Gap, seeing some rain just to the north of Alexander City. That's going to be moving towards Ashland and Lineville, tracking off towards Georgia. Most of the heaviest rainfall, though, along Interstate 85 and Point South. That's where we're seeing the shield of wet weather in southeast Alabama this morning. Cloud cover is the culprit for keeping temperatures in the 70s for places like Birmingham, Johns, Centerville. But where we saw a bit of a clearer sky overnight last night, temperatures were able to dip into the 60s. So we have some upper 60s right now from Double Springs to Coleman, 66 in Center, 68 in Ashland. Your hour-by-hour breakdown, mid to upper 70s as we head through mid-morning. A couple of showers and storms expected late morning through the early afternoon, but because of the morning clouds and because of the afternoon showers, temperatures are not going to be warming all that quickly. So we're not necessarily going to be dealing with intense or prolonged heat for our Thursday. Kind of rare for August. So it's sure you may see some rain, but tell you what, it's helping to keep these temperatures under control this start of this August month. As we move through the 9 a.m. hour, heavier rainfall again is going to push off into Georgia, but then we'll see some redeveloping spotty showers throughout the afternoon. Notice how this kind of lifts to the north. So I think this morning, all of that rain stays south of I-20. As we roll through the afternoon after about 2 p.m., we could see some showers drifting north of 20 there. But for the most part, these are going to be very few and far between. And notice northwest Alabama, those temperatures staying in the 80s through around 7 p.m. Those will already see temperatures falling into the low 70s in East Alabama. All of that will have to do with the cloud cover. So the range of temperatures today will all be predicated on the fact that we see clouds and or rain in certain communities, keeping those temperatures a bit cooler. As we move through our Friday, we're going to have that rain from the Gulf. We're going to have a boundary moving in from the north. Those two will kind of converge across central Alabama, producing a better opportunity for coverage of rain. So when I talk about 70% chance of rain, that means 70% of our viewing area will likely see some sort of wet weather. Good time to download our CBS 42 Storm Track weather app. You can track this rain from the palm of your hand. I am keeping rain in the forecast all the way through the weekend and even through the early part of next week.